Now today we are going to start the third topic of your unit 4th. Third topic not, it is like a second chapter of your unit 4th. Okay. In your second chapter of your unit 4th, that is the first topic, that is second chapter is digital to analog converters. In that you are having two topics, binary weighted and R to do a ladder network. Okay, these two topics are there in your unit 4 second chapter. You are having two topics. Okay, now first we will be starting digital to analog converter, second chapter of your unit 4th. What do you mean by digital? Digital means already you are studying in your paper 5. Digital means zeros and ones. Okay, digital to analog. Analog means it will be in the form of voltage, like maximum values. Zeros and ones will be converted into like some value. 000 will be like 001 in this digital will be converted into 1 in decimal. So the decimal value indicates what? Analog, and digital value indicates what? Zeros and ones. Or you can also call digital means zeros and ones, analog means it will be in the form of waveforms also. Waveforms, okay, like sine wave, square waves, these are nothing but analog. Okay, now today we are going to start the digital to analog converters. Digital to analog converters are three types. First one is current type, voltage type, multiplying type. Okay, digital to analog converters are three types: current type, voltage type, multiplying type. First, current type. Current type means the output of current type digital to analog converter will be in the form of current. Okay, then second, the output of voltage converter will be in the form of voltage, but what is happening here? The current which is flowing internally will be converted into voltage. For this procedure, it needs some time. For that purpose, voltage converters, voltage type D2A converters is nothing but a delay type D2A converters, because it is taking some time to convert digital it is taking some time to convert the current into voltage, then finally you will get the output in the form of voltage. Okay, so voltage type converters means what? Output will be in the form of voltage, but internally what is happening? It is taking current and it is converting into voltage. Current formula is what? I equal to V by R. V equal to IR is voltage. Then the third type digital to analog converters is multiplying type. What do you mean by multiplying type? Multiplying type means it will be it is a multiplication of two inputs, like one input and one will be reference input. Reference means what? You will be keeping it for reference voltage, like fixed voltage. 5 volts is reference, and one input you will be varying. Both combination input is nothing but what? Multiplying type D2A converters. Okay, see, digital to analog converters are nothing but which will convert the digital signals into analog form. Okay, zeros and ones into analog form. It is of three types: current, voltage, multiplying. Current digital to analog converter means output will be in the form of current. Voltage digital to analog converter means output will be in the form of voltage, but it will take some time to convert current into voltage. That's why it is also known as delay converters. So accuracy will be taking some time. For that purpose we will use what? Op-amp. Op-amp we have studied in our second year. Okay, that is 4th sem. You have studied totally about op-amp. So since accuracy will be less in voltage converter, so we will use op-amp, operational amplifier. Okay, now op-amp is having inverting input, non-inverting input, plus and minus. Okay, second pin is inverting, third pin is non-inverting, and sixth pin is output. Then it is of 8 pins. Then seventh pin is plus VCC, sixth pin is like fourth pin is minus V. So this is nothing but your op amp. So in voltage type converters we will use op amp. Next we went for multiplying type. Multiplying type means what? It is like it is a combination of both reference input and variable input. Okay, reference means which is like variable, one will be fixed 5 volts and other will be like variable changing. Okay, next, now multiplying type op amp is like multiplying type D2A converter is two methods, binary weighted and R2 to R ladder network method. Now we are going into syllabus. Okay, in syllabus they have given two topics to you, binary weighted and R2 to R ladder network method. First we are going with binary weighted. In binary weighted means what? We are giving the input in the form of binary, zeros and ones. Weighted means what? All these zeros and ones will be added and you will be getting the output. Output in which form? Output voltage form. Okay. So now first we will draw this circuit. This circuit already you have studied in second year. Okay, summing op amp. 3 resistors I am using. All this will be added and you will get the final output. Summing op amp is operational amplifier symbol, inverting, non-inverting, grounded, plus VCC, plus 12 volts, minus 12 volts. Okay, then sixth pin is output. Now from this we will calculate current I1, I2, I3. I1, I2, I3. Okay, what is current formula? V1 by R1, V2 by R2, V3 by R3. V in I am taking common, 1 by R1, R2, R3. Okay, what is the value of R1? 2, 4, 8. I am taking here 1, 2, 4, 8. Okay, then multiply it and divide, you will get what? V in is taken as 1. So you will get 0.87 milliamp. What is this? Total current. Now what I said, you current will be converted into voltage with the help of op amp. V naught equal to V equal to IR formula. Okay, RF. RF is this feedback resistance into total current. Total current is this. Feedback resistance is what? 1 kilo ohm. Multiply it, you will get output voltage. What is the value of output voltage you will get in binary weighted? 7 by 5 volts. Okay, you can write 0.87 or you can write it as 7 by 5. This is your binary weighted method. Binary weighted method means what? In this we have taken op amp in the form of summing. All the inputs which we are giving in the form of digital will be converted in the weighted form. Weighted means current form, then voltage form, and finally we will get the output voltage after adding these inputs. This is your binary weighted method. Next method in this is nothing but R to 2R ladder network method. In this R to 2R ladder network method, we will be giving the digital inputs. That digital inputs again it will be converted into form of voltage. Voltage means analog. So how it will be connecting the voltage in the form of analog, that we will see in R2 to R ladder network method. Okay, in this R2 to R ladder network method, again we have taken op amp, R to R resistor values. We have taken 4 input, 1, 2, 3, 4. What is this? Switches A, B, C, D. These are the 4 switches. Switches means what? See, digital input means you can give only by the switches itself. Switch means what? Which will be either 0 or it will be either 1. You can give in the form of switches only. Digital input means. So you are giving in 4 inputs. A, B, C, D, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, like that. You can give any value. If you are connecting it to here, it is 0. If you are connecting the switch here, it is 1. So what is happening? It depends on the switches. Okay. This is your R2 to R ladder network method. Here it is converted. Here the resistors are connected in the form of ladder network. R to R, R to R, to R, R to R. Okay. So now finally we will get the output in the form of total binary outputs, inputs will be converted into output, total analog form. Okay. Now, in the above figure, the circuit is connected in the form of R2 ladder network. In the figure above, if the switch is 0, input bit is 0. If the switch is 1, input position is 1. Okay. If the switch is 0, means it is connected here 0. If it is connected here 1, that means input bit is 0. If the switch bit is 1, input bit is 1. So by this, inputs are submitted in the form of zeros and ones. Now, as soon as it is taking zeros and ones, the input, what is happening? The output will be following which method? It will be following the superposition method. Superposition method means what? Superposition theorem. It will take all the inputs and it will add and it will give you one final output, summation of this. Okay. That final output is nothing but sum of the weighted represented the switches. Okay. Sum of the weights represent the switches. So your final output will be V0 equal to 2 power n minus 1 and will be 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If 4. 5 means 5. Bn minus 1. Binary number. 2n power n minus 2. Bn minus 2. 2 power 2. 2. 2 power 1. B1. 2 power 0. B0. So this is your final output, which is in the form of, which is using binary inputs will be converted into analog form, which is using superposition method. Okay. Which is using superposition method. Okay, fine. So now after this, finally your output is in the form of, the output of DAC is directly proportional to the weighted of the switches. Okay. So now by this you have finished the R2 to R ladder network method also. So first onwards I am telling, digital to analog converters means digital inputs is converted into analog form. It is of how many forms? 3 forms. First is current, voltage, current, multiply. Current type. It is of current type means what? Whatever input you are giving, the output will be available in the form of current. Okay. Then next, voltage. Voltage type means whatever input you are giving, that voltage, that input will be converted in the form of voltage. Okay. But internally what is happening? Current will be converted into voltage. So it will take some process time. So it is also known as delay converters. Voltage converters are delay converters. So for that purpose we will use what? Op-amp, operational amplifier, which is of 8 bits. Out of that 8 bit, it is having 2 inputs, 1 output. Inverting input, non-inverting input. Okay. Inverting input means minus, non-inverting input means plus. Okay. Then we went for what? Then we went for our next multiplying type, that is a combination of variable input and reference input, both multiplying. Multiplying type is now how many methods? 2 methods. Now it is in your syllabus. Binary weighted and R2 to R ladder network method. Binary weighted means simply we will draw the diagram of op-amp. I am not giving you more stress because already you have learned about op-amp in your 4th sem totally. Remember that. If you didn't remember, open the 4th sem book and revise once. Okay. So operational amplifier we have studied in 4th sem. So we have drawn the binary weighted diagram on the board. What we have done? We have drawn and we have which form it is? Op-amp in the summing form. Weighted means what? All the inputs it will take and it will add and it will give us final output. Okay. So this is the weighted diagram. Okay. Now in this binary weighted, I am giving 3 inputs that will be added. First, total current we will find out by this formula. Then we will substitute that current formula in voltage V equal to IR formula. R is feedback, I is this. After multiplying, output you will get minus 7 by 5. Next, we went for another method, R2 to R ladder network method. In R2 to R ladder network method, we have taken this diagram. In this, 4 equivalent digital inputs we have taken with the help of switches A, B, C, D. Now, according to this diagram, this is connected in the form of ladder. If the switch is 0, input bit is 0. If the switch is 1, input bit is 1. This whole inputs will be taken and you will be getting only the one equation of the output voltage V naught equal to this. That is nothing but in superposition. By using superposition theorem, we will get this equation. 2 power n minus 1. N minus 1 will be number of inputs. How many? Then Bn minus 1. Total formula. This formula you should remember. Okay. This is your output formula R2 to R ladder network method. Now next, lastly, we will go for the important performance parameter of D2A converters. They are two parameters of D2A converters. One is resolution and another one is accuracy. Resolution, define resolution. Resolution is nothing but maximum number of D2A converters accept maximum number of digital input accepted by D2A converter is known as resolutions. What is resolution? Resolution means maximum number of digital input accepted by converter. D2A converter is known as resolution. Okay. Then what is accuracy? Accuracy is defined as the measure of difference between the actual analog output and ideal analog output. That means actual analog output means what? After connecting all the components, you will get the output in the form of analog, digital to analog converter means. And ideal analog means what? Without connecting any input, directly, ideally you will get one output of analog. That both the difference is nothing but accuracy. Okay, accuracy of D2A converters. So accuracy of D2A converters are defined as what? It is defined as the measure of difference between the actual analog output to the ideal analog outputs. Okay, minus ideal difference means what? Minus of ideal analog output. Actual analog means everything will be connected, and ideal means without any connections. Okay, analog output is nothing but accuracy. Then we will go for like two parameters are over. So what we have studied, once again we will recap. In this second chapter we have studied about digital to analog converters. Okay. These digital to analog converters are nothing but three types: current, voltage, multiplying. Current type or digital to analog converters means input will be in the form of digital and output will be in the form of analog. Then current type analog to digital converter means output will be digital, inputs will be converted into analog form in the form of current. The voltage analog output means low voltage D2A converter means output will be converted into the form of voltage, but internally current is converted into voltage, then we will get. So it will take some time taking procedure is there, so we will use op amp. Then we will go for multiplying type. Multiplying type is of like it is a combination of ideal inputs and it is a combination of reference input, both will be combined. Then multiplying type is two types. One is binary weighted, one is R2 to R ladder network method. Binary weighted, simply we have drawn one diagram of op amp with summing type. Then we have calculated the summing op amp means all the inputs are calculated and you will get the output. Summing op amp means input is 3, that inputs will be added and we will get first current. Then that current will be converted into voltage. Current formula what we have used in binary weighted, I equal to V by R. So here V in is like 1, common we have taken. R is R1, R2, R3 plus because summing. Then this will be converted into voltage. V equal to IR. I is total current and R is feedback. Okay. Then you will get value of output minus 7 by 5. Binary. Second method is what? R2 to R ladder network method. In this we have taken equivalent digital inputs 4 A, B, C, D with the switches. If the switch position is 0, input is 0. If the switch position is 1, input is 1. These inputs will be taken and it will be added, and finally you will use superposition theorem for getting the output, and we will get the final equation of the output V naught equal to 2 power n minus 1 Bn minus 1 plus 2 power n minus 2 Bn minus 2 plus so on. Then finally by this we have completed R2 to R ladder network method also. Now last topic in D2A converter chapter is performance of D2A converters. It depends on two: accuracy and resolution. Resolution means maximum number of D2A converter digital input accepted by D2A converter is known as resolutions, its capability. Then we went for accuracy. Accuracy means it is a difference between measure of ideal analog output with it is a measure of difference between actual analog output and ideal analog output. It is a measure of difference between actual analog output and ideal analog output. That is a difference is known as it is known as accuracy. Okay. By this we have completed the second chapter of your unit 4. In my next class I will be dealing with the third chapter of your unit 4. That is nothing but very small topic only. That also easy. This is also easy. Third chapter is nothing but analog to digital converters. Okay. Thank you.